Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Widerock Academy. Today I will show you how to share your MacBook storage with a Linux machine running on VMware. So let's get started. First, enable folder sharing in VMware. To do so, open up your VMware machine setting. Go to the sharing section and click on this plus icon to add a folder you want to share with your virtual machine. So here you can see that I have selected these two folders, and then make sure enable shared folders is checked, and then simply start your virtual machine. Next step is to install VMware tools on the Linux machine. Let's quickly move to our Linux machine. To access the shared folder in Linux, we need to install VMware tools. So just follow these steps. Open the terminal and then run the following commands. So that's it. Just restart your virtual machine after the installation is complete. Once the system restarts, let's quickly go back to your virtual machine and let's quickly check if the shared folder is listed or not. To do so, simply type this command. If nothing appears, the shared folder hasn't mounted automatically. Let's manually mount it by using this command. Now let's quickly verify it by using this command. Here you can see the shared folders. So here you can see the contents of this directory. And now let's quickly restart our system and check whether the folders are still mounted or not. Once the system restarts, open up your terminal and check whether the shared folders mounted successfully or not. Hence, upon reboot, we observed that the folders are not mounted automatically. However, if we run the same command to mount them manually, the shared folders get mounted successfully. Our goal though is to ensure these folders are mounted automatically at boot. So our next step is to make the shared folders mount automatically at boot. To ensure the shared folder mounts automatically whenever our Linux machine starts, open the Linux configuration file. First go to your VMware. To open the Linux configuration file, just type this command sudo. In the end of this file, add this line dot verify this line carefully and then save this file by pressing Command X and then press Y and then press enter. That's it. Now let's quickly reboot our system. Once the system restarts, simply type this command ls. So here we go. So that's it. We have successfully shared our MacBook storage with our Linux virtual machine and set it up to mount permanently. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.